What's up, YouTube? Hello guys, and I am back with another video. It's your girl Amaria. In case you don't know, let's like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me your favorite color, guys. How are you doing today? Okay, yes, I look crazy, but y'all, it's a hair tutorial, so I ain't gonna look crazy the whole time. So if you have not already, go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment your favorite color down below, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. All right. As I did say in my previous video, we're gonna be doing this wig right here. Y'all, you see them highlights? I'm ready. So I got this wig from Amazon. I will be posting a link in the description down below if you guys are interested. I also got this little wig accessory thing. It comes with 2 brushes. It's like it's called Gioki. I don't know. This is the brand. And they came with like some goodies. This is some edge control. It came with these brushes, 2 brushes, edge brushes. Came with an elastic band, you know what I'm saying? So you can, for that lace when you glue it. I will be doing this wig glueless though, because I don't feel like wearing no glue. Not right now. This is some lace wig remover, which is definitely needed for whenever I do decide to glue the unit down. 2 wig caps, or 4. I think it's 4. But you definitely need these. Gotta keep your hair good. Also, this is a scarf for my wig when I get done. This is some a hair wax stick, which is very important for them flyaways, y'all. I've always wanted one of these, so we're gonna use it. Also, this is the lace glue by the same people. Like I said, ooh, can't see that. So yeah, by the same company, as y'all can see. If you're familiar with this company, please comment down below, because I actually do like this little set. It was really nice. It's only like $20. So I definitely do like this set. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm not gonna take too long with this because, like I said, this is a tutorial for y'all so y'all can see the best way to do it. This is some edge control, because you don't want your edges in the way of your wig, okay? So I'm just putting this on my edges just to slick them back. And don't judge me, y'all. This is my hair, so I do this how it's easy for me. Mind your business. If you don't like it, don't do it. But I'm just showing y'all what I'll be doing, you know, for my hair. As you can see, go ahead and get that slick back like that. Okay. So we do have my rubber band in there already. Okay. So as you can see, that's what we got. That's what we're working with, okay? And that actually did pretty good for my edges. I like that. It's actually pretty good. Okay. So now go ahead and get this. So it is 2, but we're only gonna be using 1 today, y'all, because we don't need to. As you can see, like I said, this like unit will be glueless. Okay. So it's supposed to be a 3-part. Already pre-plucked. It look good coming out the bag, baby. Look at this. Oh, this is some soft ass hair. Okay. I see you, Amazon. Let's get it. Okay, okay. Yes. So I'm already feeling this wig. Most definitely, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and attach this right here. In the back, you know, little backy back right there. Oh my God, this is nice. Okay. Let's go ahead and see what this is hitting for. Okay. Ooh, and we like it. Okay, already. I can dig this wig already. So, as you can see, we got your curls. They're in. How it's looking. Okay, okay. I can dig it, y'all. This is nice. Alright. It didn't look. Go ahead, get that down. So if I can do this glueless too, and this will work so well. Doing it glueless. Can y'all see this lace? Like, I know you can't really see. This is nice. Oh yeah. It's giving. I like this most definitely. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach it. Well, I'm not gonna glue it down. Like I said, I don't feel like doing no glued on wig right now. But we do like how this looks. So I am gonna be cutting this lace. Ooh, can I get that off? Okay. I ain't gonna cut the lace too much because I do want to glue this down one day. Just not right now. I definitely like this wig. Most definitely, y'all. Definitely gonna enjoy this. Okay. Go ahead and get her fitted. Oop. Okay. That's nice. Okay. Go ahead and cut this out too. Like I said, I ain't trying to cut all the lace off because I am going to be gluing this down on a later date, just not right now. So make sure you leave enough lace for that glue down because that one's going crazy. Oh yeah, this wig is the one. Thank you. Alright, y'all. I'm done. Thank you. This is cute, okay? Glueless lace install. Get at your girl.